How long have we been in this line?
3 hours and 13 minutes. We're on our walk and we just saw a lady with a Peaky Blinders shirt that said Peaky Fucking Blinders. And that is when fook became the word of the day. Next stop, caffeine. And of course, we had to go and pick up Grandma too.
On to Lisbon.
What the fuck is all this traffic?
You're fucking staring at me for.
Keep your fucking eyes on the road.
Fuck, man. Oh god, my voice.
Oh yeah, we should probably say what's going on with you.
I don't have a voice right now.
You better believe it,
So
mother.
yelling at them kids.
It's her fucking sexy voice.
Get your fucking bottoms in the seat.
You better believe it.
Jesus, Mary and Joseph, it's 3:30 already. We're in a wee bit of traffic.
Just a wee bit.
It's literally what the fuck.
What the fuck? It's fuck, Emily.
Fuck, Emily.
Fuck. Fuck. There you go.
Fuck, Mom, say it.
Fuck. What the fuck?
That's what you have to say. When we're there, you have to go.
When they say, what do you want to drink? You say, what the fuck?
You say, I want a fucking Baileys.
Give me some fucking Baileys.
You're getting a fucking Guinness or you're fucking Guinness? Because I didn't know who Guinness
You
is.
don't know what fucking Guinness is?
I do know who Guinness is.
Fucking
Guinness is a beer.
I know it's a
It's a dark
beer, but
fucking
she
Guinness.
said fucking Guinness. So
She fucking likes some dark.
I say we just go banging on a cloud.
I'm gonna get my fucking bangers on the cloud. With
She's
my
getting fucking banged in England.
Put up with this.
I'm getting fucking banged in England.
Grandma, are you gonna get fucking banged in London?
Grandma loves to get fucked.
On a fucking cloud.
Better not get fucking pickpocketed. We're going
Grandma
to
gets
the same
pickpocketed
market.
every time we go to London. She's gonna go, oh my god, where the fuck's my purse?
The last time. Who fucking took my money?
He fucking took my purse.
Who's that fucking man over there?
That fucker.
That fucking fella over there.
Well, fucking stay in your lane. You fucker. It's a fucking holiday weekend.
Why don't we go earlier?
How much fucking earlier?
We're going 7 fucking hours before our flight. I just spilled my water all down my chest.
Doesn't know how to fucking drink.
I'm fucking wet for Lisbon.
She's got a fucking hole in her lip.
We are flying to Lisbon, but clearly we were really pumped about Dublin. Anyway, we're at the airport. Oh, JFK, how I missed you. Love the airport. Don't love the prices. Bye, America. So I kept stealing everybody's pillows and blankets, and I made a big mega pillow so that I could sleep. Here is where the mess of European travel begins.
How long have we been in this line?
3 hours and 13 minutes. We stood in the customs line for like 4.5 hours. We're finally out. And when we finally got to the line, the customs agent barely looked us in the eye. This guy didn't make eye contact. I've never seen someone so dead behind the eyes, hates their job more. Barely looked at the passport, just flipped it over, stamped it. Done. We finally made it to our Airbnb. Here's a quick tour. Bedroom. Kitchen. Living room / dining room. balcony. Nice view. The view is insane. I love Lisbon already. A lot of hills. I guess every day's leg day in Lisbon. We're about to ride the famous tram 28 in Lisbon, and we're gonna get our bearings. Tell me a little bit about this statue.
Here we have the statue of Don Jose, who was the Portuguese king. People think he's facing the water, welcoming people in, but he was actually facing the water because he fled the city after the earthquake.
We're walking on Rua Augusta. Here's the arch. Top of the lift. That's where we're going tomorrow. I love donuts. We walked like 1,000,000 feet to get these donuts. So good.
Are you eating a flower?
Dough. They're edible flowers, first of all.
Are they?
No, I wasn't gonna eat it. We literally got the last 3 donuts in the whole place.
Oh my gosh, these are so good. And I'm not a donut person.